Hello, my name is Gregory Crane. I'm professor and chair in the Department of Classics here at Tufts University, and I'd like to welcome you here to Tufts on what is today a beautiful summer day. I'd like to say it's always going to be a beautiful summer day here in Boston, but I can tell you it's always going to be an interesting place, an interesting experience to be here in this department and in this university. There are three things I want to tell you about the subject of classics. The first is that classics is not only about the ancient world, it's about understanding processes that take place in the ancient world and that affect us today, like the division of the Mediterranean between an Islamic and a European sphere. I studied classics because I wanted to be able to understand processes from the beginning on into the present. And you're even better able to do that now than you could in the past. Secondly, you should realize that the study of the Greco-Roman world is a profoundly international enterprise. If you study Greek and Latin, you also get to study the traditions and scholarship of people who live from Rabat to Afghanistan. And we have colleagues in Cairo, in Croatia, in Hungary, as well as in England, Germany, and France. We have colleagues in Japan, in China, around the world. And it's not just Greek and Latin, but it's also Sanskrit, which you can study in our department, ancient Chinese history, which you can study compared to classics, or compared to the Greco-Roman world, and you can study things like the history of medicine, which has deep roots in the Greco-Roman world. So it's an immense space, it's international, but the third and most important thing for you to understand is that we have an immense amount of research that needs to be done. The field is being rebuilt from the bottom up. The publication and shift into a digital world has changed everything, and we have an immense amount of work that needs to be that we need. You have an opportunity as a student to contribute early to the field, to make tangible contributions of permanent value, and then to develop your own independent research projects that other people will use, that we can store in the Tufts Digital Library and preserve for 100 years. So this is a real opportunity for us and for you to have a part in a field that's reawakening and really on the move. We hope to see you all here in one capacity or another.